Have you ever seen a massive rally in Nifty and felt that my trade is gone, my Iron Condor is gone now? Many traders panic and close their trades for a loss just when their break even is reached. But today I am going to show you how a good adjustment can turn that disaster into a profit which can be as high as 3%. Hi everyone, welcome to Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. Today, I'll walk you through real back-tested results from a volatile markets to show how right adjustments can turn losing trade into a winner. I know you are going to enjoy it, so do press the like button also as quickly as possible. First, let's recap the setup quickly. As we all know, it involves selling a strangle and buying hedges for that strangle. If you want to know basics of Iron Condor, I have attached a video here. You can first go through that also. Selling a strangle. Strangle basically is a combination of out of money call and out of money put, and we buy hedges. Strike price of hedge call, purchased call is above the strike price of sold call, and strike price of purchased put is lower than the strike price of sold put. This completes the Iron Condor. On Nifty, this setup requires a margin of approximately 72,000 to 75,000 rupees. And as we all know, an Iron Condor is a limited risk and limited profit strategy. While profit in this strategy is fixed if Nifty stays in a range, the biggest challenge is if there is an aggressive unidirectional move in the market. If that move happens, can we still manage the trade and exit without loss or even with small profit? This is what we are going to learn in today's video. So we will see two examples. First example we see where profit comes easily without any adjustments. And then a detailed second example where we require to fight the markets to become profitable and do multiple adjustments. I'll show you all the steps of adjustments. So this is the result of the tough month. You will definitely enjoy these adjustments in case you are a serious Iron Condor trader. So stay with me for a few more minutes. Let us first see an example of a straightforward simple trade. This trade is taken on 1st September morning 9:30, wide enough. VIX was low and hence not a very great risk reward, but then break even points were sufficiently far away. No wild moves till expiry, and by expiry, the trade gave a decent 3.1% profit without much effort. It's just set it and forget it kind of a market. You do get some months like this, and a genius lies in using such months to your advantage. Now let us tackle example 2, the toughest possible market scenario for an Iron Condor. If trader can handle this kind of a market, he can handle anything. Be alert and careful, please, and please click on the like button also. Please note that while doing this back testing, it would seem as if I am originally doing this trade. That is my language. But please note this video is purely for educational purposes, and there is no recommendation of any kind whatsoever. Sufficiently wide trade is taken on the first day of October. As you can see, break evens are 24165 on downside, 25336 on upside, with market at around 24655. So around 500 points on downside and even 600 points on upside, there is a safety. Market went up sharply to 25119 on 7th October itself. And we found that on put side, put spread has almost melted because market has gone up. Only 4 rupees are left in the put trade. Since only 4 rupees were left in this put spread, what we did, this is our first adjustment. We shifted this put spread from 24,200, 24,100 to 24,700, 24,600, collecting total 16 rupees. So collecting 12 rupees extra. So what we see here that, okay, the risk reward has improved now. Earlier we were losing, max loss was 4815. Now the max loss got reduced to 3986 because we have collected extra 12 rupees on the put side. But as I said, this was not an easy market. By October 16th, the price moved beyond our upper break-even point. Normal adjustment practices say that if your upper break-even point is breached, you are going to lose in this Iron Condor. And one of the best adjustments is that, okay, you convert this Iron Condor into butterfly and try to protect whatever is there. As of now, in this trade, if market keeps on rallying up, you can lose 3,986 rupees. That's the maximum loss in the trade. Let us see if we would have converted this into an iron butterfly by shifting the total put spread up, what would be the impact on the trade. So we shifted the put spread up and brought the sold put to sold call strike. But if we do it, there is still a loss of around 2600 in the trade in case market keeps on moving. It's visible here. So this is something like we are surrendering to the market, although loss is fixed, but still we wanted to fight and we wanted to see if there can be a better outcome. So we didn't opt it for that simple adjustment, but used a very professional approach. We rolled the entire trade over to next month, that is November. We booked all four legs and shifted the entire setup to next expiry. If you see, max loss risk increased, but then for a wide range of market, there was a possibility of profit. Obviously, this kind of adjustment requires a lot of patience. So this was adjustment number two for the whole trade. So we have done one adjustment earlier and we have done this adjustment number two. Kept the trade like that till 13th of November. And when we saw that, okay, the put spread which had only 3 rupees, we booked it and shifted it up. By doing this adjustment number 3, we collected another 11 rupees. Till November expiry, nothing else was required to be done, and trade ended in a profit of 3.19%. So if I consider for 2 months, uh, divide by 2, we got around 1.6% per month, which is much better than any loss. And this is one of the perfect ways of handling such trades. There can be still many questions in your mind. Can it be done every time? What if market kept moving? But I'll say if you're a dynamic trader with the right adjustment know-how, you can safely sail through such trades. Do write your questions in the comment section and we will be more than happy to answer all your questions. Now, since you know Iron Condor adjustments very well, you would definitely love this call ratio spread video part 1. Like and subscribe if not done so far. Wishing you a great trading. Bye.